This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enter the safe mode on this device. So it is a very simple and basic thing to do. So first you'll need to press and hold the side power button for about a second or so, then tap and hold your finger at the power off option until the reboot to safe mode window appears. Then here tap the OK button, and now just wait for your tablet to restart so it can be booted into safe mode. And once it will, I will also show how you can exit it and get your system back to its normal default operating state. So as you can see, the safe mode has been enabled successfully. Now all that you gotta do in order to exit it is to once again launch the power off menu by holding the side power key and just simply restart your tablet. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.